Hello everybody, this is how you can get Final Cut Pro for free on Mac legally. The first thing you need to do is open up Safari or any other web browser of your choice, and then you look up Final Cut Pro trial. Here there is a page from Apple, Final Cut Pro free trial Apple AU, or whatever country you're in. So you can click on it here, and then there's a download now button. Now I'm not going to click that because I already have Final Cut Pro. So basically what you'll need is anything Apple Silicon to run this, or you can use an Intel Mac provided it has a metal compatible graphics card. You will also need macOS Big Sur installed, so make sure you've installed macOS Big Sur. You'll need 4GB of RAM, but 8GB is recommended for 4K editing, 3D titles and 360-degree video editing. A metal capable graphics card, 1GB of VRAM recommended for 4K editing, 3D titles and 360-degree video editing. 3.8GB of available disk space on your computer. Some features also require internet access and fees may apply. Now Final Cut Pro is a fantastic editing software. In fact, I use it on a daily basis almost for most of my video projects, so I really recommend this editing software. If you want to learn how to edit in Final Cut Pro, click this video shown on screen now.